Okay, this video is to help show our contract sewers how to assemble our wallets. This should be all the pieces that you have. We have our ID frame, leather ID frame, the plastic for the ID window, a backing piece, another piece of leather for the card slots. This is the ribbon to make the card hammocks, and then this is the backing piece. So first we'll show you how to put the label on the ID window. First thing you have is the label template. So you'll line this up, cut corner and bottom edge with the line on the template, and you'll notice there's a little bit of a space between the top of the plastic and the line. You'll want to put the label even with the line. So you go ahead and peel one of the labels off the tape and line it up with the left hand side and the line on top. Press down firmly. When you have this finished, you'll have a piece hanging off here. You just cut that even with the side of the window and you're good. So now I'll take this piece and put it onto the frame. Turn the frame over to the back, and we're going to put tape on all four corners with our tape gun. So it's about a 1/2 inch piece of tape on all four corners. Sometimes it doesn't stick. And then here. Now we take our piece that we just put our label on, turn it upside down, line it up with the top of the leather, press down firmly. Now this piece is ready to have a stitch on this side to lock the plastic to the frame. Now I'm going to show you how to make the card slot. So you have a leather piece, a backing piece, and a ribbon piece to make the little card hammocks. We have a template set up on the table. We'll send you a template as well. It's this line, and then these two marks you'll see. So you'll line it up like this. These two marks tells you where to put the tape. So you put one piece of tape all the way across. Turn it, fold this up, and leave approximately 1/4 inch difference of an overhang from the bottom piece. Now we're going to put the tape on the back of our card slots. You can see there's these 3 different pieces. We'll put tape on this one, and this one, but we will not put tape on this one. So tape all the way across on the 3 pieces that I showed. Then on our ribbon piece, we pick it up by the short side and fold it out. This first one will be lined up with the first card slot, just underneath the slit in the leather. Then you take the spine and you line the spine up with that slit in the leather. These should be cut exactly to size, so it should go from side to side. Then you pull this up even with the top or just under the top. Push that down firmly. Take your tape gun again. Glue from about halfway down all the way to the bottom on both sides, or tape. Now we'll take our other nylon backing piece. Oh, sorry, I need to tape the top as well. So now we take our other nylon backing piece and we line it up with the top and side to side. Press it down. There will be a little bit of leather showing here. That's okay. That's the way it's supposed to be. So now you can inspect it to see if there's any overhang on the ribbon, and if there is, just go ahead and trim the little bit of overhang there is. And now this piece is ready to be sewn. So now we'll take it over to the sewing machine. Okay, so this piece will get sewn on the right side, and then this piece will get sewn on to the left side. So we have a standard flatbed sewing machine set up with a guard to make it easy to sew a straight line. So we sew here, stop, and turn this one around. Sew here. Now you can see We have this piece sewn on the left-hand side, and this piece sewn on the right-hand side. So we'll go ahead and clip all our threads. I'll show you how to put this onto the backing piece. So for our card slots, we're going to tape the top and then the unsewn side a little bit on the bottom, but we don't put any tape on the sewn side, because when someone puts a card in, that glue would get on their card. So we tape all the way across the top, and then a little bit over here, and this is how the tape should go. Now we take this piece and line it up with the top and the right hand side of the backing piece. Now we take our ID window, same thing on this one, all the way across the top. And then along the side. And on this one we just put just a tiny little bit of tape right here in the corner. Again, line this up. And it's ready to sew again. That's it, we're finished. Now we just clip the threads, and that's a finished piece.